Students, hope you all will be fine. Today we will read Unit 5 Salads. What do you mean by salads? A salad can be defined as a combination of raw and cooked ingredients which is served generally cold with any dressing. In the kitchen, all types of food is prepared in which salad plays a very important role. Two essentials that are required for a nice salad are freshness and variety. Another definition of salad is a salad can also be defined as cold dish prepared of various mixtures of raw or cooked vegetables and other food items, usually seasoned with oil, vinegar, or other dressing, and sometimes accompanied by meat, fish, or other ingredients. Now, the classification of salads. Salads can be classified as vegetable salad, fruit salad, pasta salad, and protein salad. First is vegetable salad. It is salad which has the crunchy vegetables used and it is used as appetizer in the meal. The vegetables used can be cooked or raw. Examples of vegetable salads are tossed salad and coleslaw salad. Second type of salad is fruit salad. It is the salad which consists of fresh fruits cut and served as dessert and as an appetizer too. The canned fruits can also be used in making of these types of salads. The dressing used in fruit salad is honey with lemon. Now third is pasta salad. It is a salad made with boiled fancy pasta and some vegetables with dressing into it. Fancy boiled pasta, fruit and vegetables are used in this salad. Now the fourth type of salad is protein salad. It is a salad made of chicken, ham, beef, cut vegetables and fruits along with some dressing. It is generally served as the main course. Ham and chicken salad, chef salad are examples of protein salad. Now the salads can also be classified as simple salads and compound salads. Simple salads, these usually consist of one type of vegetable along with the dressing, and compound salads, they are more elaborated salads with more than one ingredient. Now we will discuss the parts of a salad. Parts of a salad: base, body, dressing and garnishing. There are four parts of a salad: body, base, dressing and garnish. Now we will learn in detail about the different parts of a salad. First is base. The base of a salad is generally made up of leafy greens. The leafy greens help to cover the base of the platter, which gives contrast in color too. The base binds the salad and the salads look more appealing when made with base or underliner. The lettuces used are red leaf, radicchio, iceberg, agula and frizzy. Now next part of salad is body. This is the main part of the salad. It gives the body to the salad. It will give the name to the salad. It gives name to the salad and the main taste is dependent on the body of the salad. For the body ingredients, chicken, fruits and vegetables are used. Now dressing, it is a kind of sauce which has to be served on the salad or with the salad. It is very necessary part of the salad which develops the taste in the salad. We can say that without the dressing the salad is not complete. It provides tartness, spiciness, moistness and flavor to the salad. Some famous dressings are Thousand Island, mayonnaise, etc. Now garnish, it is the optional part of the salad which when added enhances the value of the salad. The main purpose of the dressing, the role of the dressing in the salad is to add the eye appeal. It can be simple or composite too. If the garnish is elaborated, then it will dominate the salad. Few garnishes used are cherry, mint sprigs, coriander green sprigs, and lemon wedges.